In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split shift bid lines. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location selected. You do need to be in your location in order to work with bidding. Then choose Bidding. Select the shift bid whose lines you would like to split. I will choose this one. Make sure your stage is in Setup. Then go to your new top menu bar and select Setup. From your drop-down menu, choose Lines. Select the name of the line you would like to split. I'll go ahead and choose this last one. Then select your Split tab. Choose the date you want to split this line at. So I'll click the calendar icon. And let's say I want to split this halfway through the month, so I'll choose here. Next, give your new line a name. So part of the line will keep the old name and part of the line will have this new name. I will change this to Cashier 6. Notice that the number of heads is going to stay the same. You cannot change the number of employees assigned to this line at this time. If you changed your mind and you don't want to make these changes, click Close, otherwise choose Save. And now that new line has been created. That's how you can split lines in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn more about your shift bid lines.